Hi everyone. I got two packages today. The other one it's for the house. It's a clock mechanism, but got another one for the RC workbench. I believe these are Dean's plugs and xt60 plugs that I ordered. It looks like around 8:25, and today is the 19th, so got these pretty quick. Got these for I think under $2 for 10 pairs each. So let's open them up. I got the Dean's and got the xt60s. I ordered these just because I don't have a large quantity of them. It's just all my plugs, you know. I have 3 used Traxxas Slash trucks, and just for general purposes, change these out from the Traxxas plugs that are kind of worn out, don't fit into the batteries really well, and just kind of general use. I will update you on another video. Maybe try these out soldering and see how well the plastic holds up on them. Hopefully, with like xt60s, I believe these are made out of nylon, and so hopefully they'll hold up to heat of soldering on large gauge wires for batteries and ESCs. So I think this is good general purpose, good price, and I hope they hold up. All right, thanks guys.